So everyone is seen the UI of the Salesforce, where we have the two kind of the UI. Am I audible to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you
Yes.
are audible.
Yes.
So some participants drop a message they are not able to listen. Dipti, am I audible to you right now?
Yes, sir.
Ajay,
Yes, sir.
Ajay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Which is breaking. Maybe a network glitch. So should we start today's lesson or we have to wait for a minute? I have to check my network is fair. The voice is okay right now? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
You are audible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Okay. Let's start today's session. So you are familiar with the Salesforce UI after creating the whole. So I'm sharing the screen. Maybe you see that kind of the UI. So this is the lighting UI where we have to use declarative approach. In Salesforce, we use two approaches, which is declarative and programming. In admin part, we use declarative. Declarative is the thing that we are using something by clicking. It's click approach, drag and drop. We are picking something and put anywhere or pointing the things. So the things where we are just without writing any code and changing the UI or work updating the things. Mm, So these things in admin which we are using a declarative approach. In programming, we use the writing a code in our Apex language. So this is our Lighting UI, and we have the different UI also, which is the classic one. How we have to configure this? By clicking on the profile, we have use the classic UI. This is the old UI of the Salesforce, which is something look like that. And here is the complete detail. We can show it like here. So so guys, we have the two UI in our Salesforce, classic and the lightning one. So before this, we have working on the classic, and if we want to switch our lighting, so we have mainly working in a lighting. In classic UI, we this is not the mobile responsive. In a mobile responsive is a thing that UI is not adaptive a screen according the screen size. Like we are working in a laptop and create some UI by using the LWC or screen flow, the other things which are available in a Salesforce. By those we create the UI. So if we are open the Salesforce in our tablet or a mobile, so it will not open because of the it is not a mobile responsive in classic UI. In Lightning, this is the mobile responsive. The kind of screen we are using mobile or a tablet or a laptop, so screen will change automatically and it will be adaptive to screen. So this is the no UI which we are familiar with that. So before this, I want to explain why and how the Salesforce is work. So in every business, it start with a if I talk about that is Grovia is a company and it providing the services or a product. Every company have a some product which we start basically with a product. Every business is depend working like a sales on a purchase. So how we understand or how we do this to understand a business. So we run a campaign in a starting. Like firstly, we run one campaign for a business where we understand that how many leads or a participant we got from the campaign. Like we start the campaign for the different campaigns. First one, we contact people by sending the email. Another one is we are doing the advertisement, and third one we are using like using a billboard. So by this we are advertising our company product. That if I talk about our company is Grovia, and our product is We are selling the laptop. So before understand that how many people we will get from the campaign, how many product we have to build before selling to understand the business, inspect the environment that how many customer we will get. So first of all, we run a campaign where we got some leads. Leads is the also a standard object of the Salesforce. If we are talking about that complete cloud, this is the our application sales. Here, how we run, it's a our standard object is this is a campaign. So I'm just telling you that how the Salesforce is work to understand the complete cycle of any environment. So we are talking about here for the sales environment. So we have some standard objects. Standard objects are the things which are predefined, which are given by the Salesforce, where we are not created any object and the fields related to them. So these are the standard things which are provided by the Salesforce. So here we got the campaigns. Also we have the objects like a lead. So when in a lead we get the some prospect customer. They are not completely interesting in our product. So we got just a detail. So it can be business to business detail, or they can be a single customer as a business. We are understand the business directly business to customer, single customer. So when we convert a lead, we got a three records mainly for account. So account where we store the detail for the company detail. If we get a opportunity to deal with a single company, we are Grovia and we got a deal from Tata or a TCS. So here we got a deal with Tata, and after second one is a contact. Here we can store the detail of the singular employee which is working in a Tata directly, which is connected to with us because Tata is not came to contact us. Someone um, someone like a salesperson or a dealer person which handle these kind of the business details in a Tata. He came or he or she will be deal with us. So we store that person detail in a contact object. So it where we store the person detail. So it can be a B2B person detail or a singular person detail. Okay. So after converting the lead, these are the mandatory objects where we have to create a record. And third one is a opportunity. In opportunity, we store the real person detail or a deal detail. So Tripti in chat box her share the attendance sheet link. this one. You have to mark the attendance here. You got it? Let's back move to the topic. So these are the three standard object where we store the deal detail by a business detail for a singular person detail or the complete deal detail. An opportunity where we store the detail for the that we are selling the laptop, and maybe this is our product. Product is also a standard object. So firstly, our product is a laptop, and it has some price. So we store the price detail in a price book. Every product has different price. Firstly, fixed standard price of every product. Then another, we have to create a discount sheet or a B2B price book. So we can create different price book as the business detail. So what kind of a discount we want to share for a particular business to business or a business to customer. So it will depend on the deal, which person is dealing with us, and what kind of the offer we want to share to him or her. So we have some got some that standard objects which is starting with the campaign. We got a lead from it where they are not complete deal. They are just came and show the interest in a product. Maybe they will buy or maybe they will not. So we have to convince them that they will show interest and they will purchase our product. So for this we have to store their detail in account or a contact objects, and after they will showing the interest in our product, they want to deal detail or a price details, they want a quotation regarding this product. So after finalizing that what are the leads convert in opportunity, we will send a deal by sending a quotation of product. So after this we have to We will show them a product. Then we will share a price book, standard price of the product. Then we build a quotation according to the deal. In this quotation, we store the deal detail for the singular person or the business detail. What kind of the offer we want to share to the business or the person. So this is the complete cycle, how the sales cycle is working. Firstly, we run a campaign to understand the business that how many people will show their interest in our product, and we will get a detail that by sending the email we got 100 customers, and by advertisement it will be a social advertisement or a TV advertisement, and we got a 1000 people, and in a billboard we get a 500 people, which in showing the interest in our product. So we get a lead by running a campaign. So we have to store up that campaign detail, expenses also, that how much amount we spend on a particular campaign. In like for the email, we spend $100, or advertisement we spend $200 for this campaign. And after spending that much amount, how many leads we get. So also we stored that campaign details to understand which campaign will be beneficial for us for the future, and we how much amount we have to spend for the particular campaign, or how can we increase our product sales. So everything is working like that. Company provided the product or a service, and they will inspect the complete people's how many people's showing the interest, and in final, after sharing the complete deal detail in opportunity of the product, after the deal will be closed, and it will be a lost customer or it will be a wounded. So this is the complete sales cycle how it works, where we have some standard object campaign, after that a lead. It after when we convert a lead, so we got three object report: account, contact, and the opportunity. After that, we have to create a product record and sharing a price book to the particular person with a different kind of price book. First one standard is a mandatory, and other you will can create yourself. And final, you have to share the complete quotation to the person. So it will be a closed deal or a lost deal. If we see this thing in our Salesforce, this is our application. This is our app name, Sales. We can create these by custom. This is the standard. We can find another standard app also like a service, and this is the 9 dot, or we can call this a app launcher. So these are some standard object which we get, and you can see the here all the objects. It will show you the detail of the standard or the custom application. So these is the tabs of the application. Like here we store the campaign detail. If I want to start new campaign, so we have to give a campaign name like we are using the advertisement and it's an active campaign. How we will going to this campaign run by using the partner or the relation by showing the trade. So these are some fields where we have to store our value according to the requirement. Then when we are going to start this campaign, so let's imagine we will going to start this tomorrow and it will be end within 3 days, and our expected revenue that we will get $10,000 daily in this, and our campaign budget cost expected will be mm, $100, and actual cost we get in a campaign like $80. So we save that record. After this, we have to create one lead in the reference of that campaign. Just a moment, guys. Yes, guys. So after creating a campaign, we have to create one lead or many leads. Every lead which we get from the campaign. So we have to store that lead detail in this campaign. So we run this advertisement campaign. We go every lead. We have to maintain a record of the lead. So we have to create one lead. Like example, my name is Ayush, and it's a mandatory field symbol that we have to create a record in this field. This is a mandatory until we can't save the record. Like if I am not enter anything in this field, if I want to save this record and it will give me an error message. So we have to create a record in those fields where we get this asterisk symbol. This is the symbol of the mandatory field. So I'm storing the details. Mm, so I create this lead. Now I have to just save a record. So in the reference of this advertisement, I got one lead. So that time it will not reflect right now because we have to make this lead convert in our object. After conversion of this lead, we will get a record. Like this is the complete cycle. It's working or contacted or not. So we have the detail of the lead by going on the detail. So this is the record which I created with these details. So I have to complete that cycle. Also here we got the status object that after clicking on that cycle, the status value also updated. So now the status value is working and connected. Next, it will be a closed and non-converted, but we have to that it's we have to convert that lead into opportunity. So we got these three object details when we have to convert a lead object into opportunity. So account and the contact is a mandatory object. We have to create a record, but it's a optional. Here we can see that the account name is a mandatory, but if we click on that drop down, also last name is a mandatory. So this is the mandatory field. Here we can this is the mandatory, but this is the checkbox. If we see that don't create an opportunity upon conversion. So this is not a mandatory. If we click on this checkbox, so this is not a mandatory one. But every time when we convert a lead into opportunity, so we have to create a record in account and a contact object. So even can we can use the existing record. Guys, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
you are. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to just convert our lead into opportunity. So after converting a lead, we got a record in our account object, contact object, also in a opportunity. So the day our company is a TCS, so we got a TCS record. In the reference of the we got a contact record. This one is a contact record. Also we can check it from here. Directly we can click and go to the contact of the reference of the account. So and third one is our opportunity detail. So now we have to deal with the TCS. Here also we get deal detail. So first of all we have to create a product detail, or you can create your product. So this is our product. I will creating the new one like We are providing the product will be a computer and product code is a CMP 007 and our product should be active. So this is our product and we have to create one price book for this product. So this one is a standard price book that we are using. That 1 lakh is a standard price of the this product. By default, first price of the this standard price book is a standard, so we don't need to use to select this checkbox. After that, another price will be that it's a discount price book. So we store that it will be a 90,000 price. So we store two price detail for the single product computer. This one is a standard or this one be for with a discount. Also we can create multiple price books for we want to give a deal to the our any family member or a friend or any business to business which we have a strong relationship. We want to give some special offer, so we can create a different price book for the different deals. So after that we have to send a quotation. To this opportunity. So the deal name is our first date and expiration date will be a 24th June. And if we want to add other taxes, like where we are sending the product and tax detail and shipping and handling charges also we want to apply. So we got the complete quotation or the this deal detail in our opportunity that, and this is the complete percentage of our deal, that how much will spend and how many things are completed in our opportunity. So now it's a prospective. So the 10% work is done. So after mark this stage complete. So next is the qualification and it will also updated after completing the deal. So qualification stage also completed and need analysis. So we can also update these fields by the this stage. So see, after completed two stages, the probability is increased by the percentage, and also we can update it from here by clicking on this, or we can choose this by clicking. So this is the declarative approach which we are using. So after completing all these stages, so deal will be a close or it will be a loss. So if the deal is closed, we sell our product to the customer. So this is the how complete sales cycle is working. And the probability of the this opportunity complete that we have complete all the stages. So the probability of the cycle is completed 100%. So this is the how complete sales cycle work. We run a campaign where we store the right campaign detail and we got a prospect customer which we call our lead and store the that person or a business detail. After we have to convert our lead into opportunity. If we have already a existing record, so we can use that previous record, or like if we don't have a product at that time and customer showing the interest that it came for the different product and this is not available here that time, so we will just create a record or in our account and contact object. In future if we start providing the services that what he want or we selling that product what he want, so that time we use these records to convert these lead records into opportunity, and then we will contact them and showing the product, share our price detail and make one quotation related to this opportunity person, and we will share the complete detail, and it will be a complete deal will be a closed or we will lose that trade. So this is the how complete sales cycle work. So we have these standard object: campaign, lead, account, contact, opportunity, product, price book, and quotation. Everyone understand the complete sales cycle, how it work, why Salesforce we have to store these things like in these object and fields, because before this when we stored our records in a Excel or SQL, like here anyone can create a record or anyone can use this Salesforce. In SQL, if any person want to fetch a record, so he can't fetch a record without using a developer. In SQL, only a developer can fetch a record. So how they will create a record, provide the security. So this is why we move to the Salesforce by leaving the Excel or the SQL. We create a record, maintain record, provide the security, and UI is better than these previous application. So that's why we are using the Salesforce. And we give the complete whole environment where we don't want to create anything. Still, we want to customize the things according to the requirement. Then we move to the customization part. But before every part, if we want to that marketing details, that what kind of the campaign we are running, these campaign expenses, everything come in a marketing. So when we before selling the things come in a marketing, when we are dealing, so it come between the sales after selling and customer facing any issue and he want to contact to the team or any person, so it will come a service. So everything is provided by the Salesforce. You can use a sales app or a service app. So these clouds are provided by the Salesforce which we can use directly, and anyone can use these things. Is easy to use and better UI. Everyone understand all the things.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any questions from this topic? Like how the sales cycle work?
No.
Not now.
Okay.
No.
Ramya, can you tell me what are the standard object in a sales cycle? How many standard object we cover in a sales cycle?
Yeah. So standard objects are lead, account, contact, and opportunity.
Hmm. After that,
And
May I,
price
sir?
book.
good. Sumit, Sumit, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hello.
So
I'm
when we
audible, sir.
convert a, yes, you are audible. So when we are converting a lead into opportunity, so is all these three objects are mandatory that we have to create a record in all three, or how many objects record are mandatory at the conversion of the lead?
Lead conversion is the process of turning a qualified lead into the account, contact, and opportunity in Salesforce.
My question is that at the time of the conversion of lead, so all these three objects record are mandatory, or we can done by the two objects or of single objects.
You also.
Mainly the when we are converting a lead, we get a code for all these three, but the opportunity is optional by clicking of that checkbox which I show you to at the conversion time. So I will also sharing you the definition of these fields and definitions. So I'm creating the complete chart of the sales cycle. You can take a screenshot of the complete cycle.
Okay, sir.
After lead, we got a record in our we get a record in account, contact, and in opportunity. Mm, these are the mandatory. You get a symbol of the asterisk symbol in those. Opportunity is also mandatory, but after clicking on a checkbox, you can make it optional. So when this is the conversion of the layer, and next we have some product. For product, we are dealing with it have some price. The price detail will be stored in a price, and after final object is our quotation. You will get the name of the quotation in a quote. So this is the how complete cycle is work. Not to read. So these all are the our standard object. Now we move to the definition of these all objects. First one is a campaign. In which we can store the marketing stuff information. Another one is a lead. where we store our prospect customer details, or it can be a B2B, or it can be a B2C. So what are the B2B? If
Business to business.
business to business, if we are getting a deal from company or a business, so if directly customer came, so it's a business to customer. We are selling our product or dealing with directly to the customer. So after the lead conversion, we go account, contact, business, opportunity. So in account, we store the company detail. Okay, guys. In contact, we store the executive detail. Which is into the company. If we got a directly B2C detail, so it will be stored in account or a contact. Can anyone tell me? If we got a direct customer, so its detail will be stored in account or a contact.
They're in a contact.
Contact,
Sir.
sir.
No contact.
Why not
Contact.
in account?
Because we are getting lead from the direct from the customer.
Yes, but if he's not have any company or we don't want it's any patent record, why do we store in a contact? We can store in a account also. Like, let's see, if we go to lead and it's directly B2C. So if we want to create any record in account, we can write his name, also his phone number, contact number, its email. We don't want to store these things in the stable and other detail in an account. Also, we can store in account. or we just have to store in a contact. Here is also the phone detail, name of the person we can store. So why we are using the contact word, why not in account? And what is the exact reason we have to store B2C detail in a contact or account?
And I think to segregate the data from the complete data from the contact data, the personal data.
Right. Anyone want to
I
share?
mean,
Hmm.
we are by doing this, we are trying to segregate the uh, lead getting from the company and the lead getting from the person. So the main purpose, I think, the segregation is separation basically.
Exactly. So these um, there is a product. In product, we store product detail. Next one is a price book. And price book can be many. It can be B2B, B2C, partner price book, or it can be a discount price book. So we have different price book for different deals, and we will share that particular price book in a quotation in a deal with the opportunity. The reference of the opportunity, we share the quotation by choosing these price books. Can someone share the screen who built yesterday his new org? Can anyone show me that in your opportunity you will get the quotation like this? Same I got. If this one is my opportunity report, here in its activities, I got the quotation that here I have to create a record in a quotation. Can anyone show me the screen that who built his org yesterday? He's getting that option or not? Then I will provide you the navigation of the quotation.
Yes, guys, share your screen. Sumit, Sumit, Govind, who's not replying? I'm marking attendance. Absent. I will mark you absent. So if I call your name, you should reply. Ramya,
Yes, sir.
you have created new org yesterday.
Yes, I already have a auth. Can I share that one?
Already have an org. The who have created new org yesterday?
Me.
Okay, Nikita, share your screen, please.
Yes. Yes. It's visible now. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Click on this recently viewed drop down. You can see recently viewed. Yeah. Click on that down. Click on all opportunities. Yeah. Open anyone.
Okay.
So can you scroll down? Scroll more.
It's over.
Okay. Can you see any quotation here? Quotes? Is quotes visible here?
Uh,
Are you able to see any quotes here?
No, sir.
Right? No
No.
quotes.
No.
As Ayush have shared his screen, he was able to see the quotes. But as we create a new auth, there was quote is disabled. Okay. So for that, we have to go to setup. Everyone know what is the setup, right? Yes, Nikita, can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me what is the setup?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Nikita, yes, Nikita, can you explain what is setup?
Sorry.
Can you explain what is a setup?
Setup. We can add the means we can edit the org.
Yeah, setup have all the configurations or basic in if we tell in short term, it's a setting through which we can control all the configurations of our Salesforce, right?
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So you can open setup and from here, Ayush will tell you how to enable pods. Ayush, you can continue now.
Okay. Go to set.
One minute. This one.
mm, Search a quote setting in a quick find box. Quote setting.
Code setting.
mm, Not a code setting. It's a quotation.
Q starting with Q.
QOT. In a sales, you got a quote. Yes. Enabled quote.
Here also.
Yes. Yes. No, save it. No, don't click on the second checkbox.
What to do now?
Go back to the quote setting. Only select the enable one. Don't click on the second checkbox. Remove the create code without a related opportunity. Yes.
Now I have to say
Yes.
No, no.
what's
It's
up.
enable now. You can. It's enable now. Don't worry. Go back to a sales app where in a opportunity. In a you have to click on a nine dot. Hmm. Search opportunity. Opportunity directly. You can go in a last one. Second last. Yes. Now open this report. Refresh your page.
Hello.
Go in a setup again. See
Okay.
it is updated or not.
Again, good.
Yes. Code setting. Go back to your previous tab and make a hard refresh on it.
This one.
Hmm. Can you make a one record in a opportunity?
Like
Click
one
on a
more.
opportunity.
Okay.
M- Click on a new. Yes.
Yes.
Write any name, XYZ, anything, whatever.
You can type
Hmm. Close date. Select a
stage.
stage.
Which one?
Prospective. Save it. Now go in a
Go in. Setup.
no. Go down.
Go down. Over.
Still you are not getting the code. Wait a minute. make a hard refresh on it. Where the that you are alone. Here you got two lines on the top. Click on it. On the top where you got a refresh in the right hand side, you got the two lines. Click on it.
Two line. Sorry, I didn't get it. Where?
See, I'm sharing the screen. How to do
Okay.
hard refresh? I'm telling you. Like this is the this button. Everyone is seeing my
Okay.
screen.
Okay. Yes.
When you click on it, here you get cookies and site data. So you have to delete these manage site data. You make a hard refresh on it. So you will
Okay.
get a report. See, do it in your work. Other participants, are you able to see the code in your opportunity object?
Let me check, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just allow me some minute.
This is the simple issues which are came in a Salesforce. Every time you have to wait or many times we got in a stack in a refresh things. Nikita, still you are facing the
Not
same
getting.
issue?
Yes. Yes. I deleted all the. Who is seeing the data? And another one will share the screen. Hello.
Yes.
Same issue. I can't see anything.
Wait. Is anyone want to share his screen or her screen?
Hello, sir. Can I
Yes.
share my screen?
Yes, sure. Nikita, you can do logout and login again. Check it.
Okay.
Uh, Is my screen is visible?
Yes. So you create
What option?
your org yesterday or you have a previous one?
Uh, I have created yesterday.
Okay.
And sir, I think there is a options like the checkbox is uh, quote sales page layout. Sorry, opportunity sales page layout. We have to enable this. I think that.
No. We have to just enable the in a code setting. We have to just enable code. If we select the
Yes,
second
sir.
checkbox, yes.
Hello, sir.
Mm.
Yes, Diptime, can you just share your screen and show the
Okay,
checkbox?
okay.
Nikita, can you share your screen again?
Yes, sure.
Mm. Let me check in your classic UI if you got the.
Already I am enable this. I think if I am disable,
So you will not see the code again.
yeah. So after enable,
Nikita, you can share your screen.
Okay, one
sir,
second.
I think this in this checkbox opportunity sales layout, we have to enable this.
Opportunities is left. Which one?
This one.
Your screen is not visible.
Diptima, your screen is not visible. We can't be able
Oh,
to see your screen.
okay, okay, sir.
So now, Nikita, I've shared the screen. After that, Diptima, you can share your screen. Okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes, Nikita, what's your doubt?
Same.
You
Scroll
are
down,
not
Nikita,
getting the codes?
Mm, sorry. No, no.
You are not get. Okay, scroll down, please.
and go to in profile.
Okay.
Yes. Switch to Salesforce class. On the top search bar, uh, in the order you can write here opportunity, or also TCS is also available in your left side.
Click on TCS. You can see TCS, green recent items. Yeah, click on that.
Scroll down. Okay. Go in a code setting tab in setup again. Your different tab.
Here, setup.
You have different tab in a code setting. You can use different tab.
You can go to Lightning Experience. Switch to Lightning Experience. Go to Setup. Search for code settings and quick find. Right? QUOTE. Yes. Go to code settings. Click on it. Okay. You are not enabled. Create codes without a related opportunity. Okay. Your code is already enabled. So it's okay. Your code is enabled now. The thing is, Salesforce have a one glitch that it used to take some time when we unlock some new settings or create some new objects or fields. So it takes some time to refresh. Okay, as it's a cloud server based CRM and there are multiple users, so it sometimes take time. What you can do, either you can do hard refresh 2 or 3 times, whether you will get. or if it's not coming, you will get in 22 hours. Okay. Still
Okay.
you not get, you can connect this tomorrow session. You can ask your doubt then, and then we can configure whether why
Okay.
you are not getting. But you have enabled the settings, so it should be there. It's just a refresh issues. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Dipti ma'am, you can share your screen now.
Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible now. Yes, what are your doubts?
Sir, not doubts. I say that I have able to see the codes here,
Okay. Okay.
and after enable the checkbox, there is a options, four options like opportunity layout, opportunity service layout, opportunity sales layout. I think
Okay.
that we
Let me
have
tell you.
to.
See,
Okay.
this is page layout is another topic we're going to talk later on. For now, you have enabled the codes, so it will working fine. It will be visible on a one page layout. Page layout is just a complete page. We can create multiple types of pages. Some have some configuration, some have some not. Like I can create two pages for two different users. One must have code and one must not have a code. So for that, we have one page layout. Okay, we're going to talk about the page layout later on. But for now, what's is coming? That's the main one. Is it visible for you?
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah, then fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Ayush, continue. Anyone else have any doubts? Any doubt regarding what we have covered? Sales life cycle, codes. Because after that, I'm going to take a short Q&A now regarding the topics we have covered today and the topics that we have covered yesterday. Okay. So if anyone have any doubt, you can ask now. When I will take Q&A. So I will give some grades on the day basis of daily Q&A. I will give the grades to you. So I want that everyone should able to answer. And whose name I will call up, you should answer the questions, okay? And be available. If I will not found anyone that not giving the answer or not coming, not turning on their mics, so I will not give the dates, okay? And she